Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to remove Google account on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. Okay, it is important to note that removing a Google account from a device will also remove associated data such as contacts, emails, and app data from the device. Users should ensure they have backup any important data before removing the account to avoid losing data permanently. Okay, and then how to do that on this device? Let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, open Please Settings menu on your device. Well, after that, please scroll down. And then here you can select Account and Backup option. Okay, after that you can choose the first one here, Manage Accounts. Well, and then select the account you want to remove. Well, after that, click Remove Account. And then click once again. Okay, so now your Google account is successfully removed from your device. Well, that's the tutorial on how to remove Google account on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.